Okay, I'm back. Sorry, had to drop it out there. What was I doing? Compiling stuff. So, right, I was here. I was going to use this to trim off all this white space, because there was a lot. Like, he's just copied it all from like RDI or something. When you copy from RDI, it has all this fucking white space at the end of it. No idea how fucking ridiculous that is. Ugh, white space. Alright, so there's a macro you could do. Trim and save. Luckily, I don't need to save, so I can copy that. Bosh it into here. I need to make a new file. This is called CVT RPG free to RPGly. So let's do new. Oh, yeah, Control N. It's in Barry, Q source, CVT, RPG, free. I don't know. Let's just call this CVT RPG free 1. Yeah, that will do. Is this any SQL in here? No, lots of. Okay, so there isn't any embedded SQL in here by the looks of it. So I think we're okay. We don't have to worry about that. Create. That's going to create that. I need to open the chat window back up. My channel. That's the wrong one. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm not streaming yet. Oh, I am streaming. Why is... That was weird. Cool. Anyway. So we have the RPG. Got a text. And we need to get this RPG. Bring it in here. I'm going to hopefully be under the assumption that that's a lot of code, so I'm going to save it. It's going to take oh, that was quick. So what do I need on the library list here? A couple of files. I guess they don't have to exist at runtime, at compile time. This is some fucking, like, you don't need this. You don't need that. You don't need a PR in this anymore. This is old. This is not good code. So the parameter for keyword ext member is not valid. The keyword is ignored. Unexpected parentheses was encountered. Oh, let's put Barry on the library list here. I wonder if that will help. Probably not, but it might get rid of some of the crap. Ooh, that's a lot of errors. Maybe it's this @ symbol. Yeah, I think it's the @ symbol. It's not going down very well. So what happens if I reopen it? Because I imagine it's uploaded. Okay, it's stuck around, but it doesn't like this @ symbol. So let's change @p to, yeah, what should we use? Can't use a hash. Can we use a hash in this? Yeah, we could probably use #p. No, because hash in Danish replace all. Fuck it. Save. Fucking same errors, man. This is stressful. Position we at 7. That's fine. Why you do this? The name entry is not valid. So, all right. Let's change from #p. This is going to be probably a break and change to pp. Okay, that fixed a lot of stuff. We have these @ symbols. Ugh. I need to make an actual, need to raise a bug. I need to raise a an issue on the linter here. One about using weird characters in variables. The way I look at using weird characters in programs is that if it's not a valid ASCII character, and it's not that it's not a valid ASCII character, but if it's not a character that's not available on all character sets, then it shouldn't be used. That's the way I think about it. That's that's my own opinion. So I need to create these files in Qtemp. So let's do that. New source physical Qtemp. Q rpgly source 2. So member was not found. Yeah, I know. Probably won't even work. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. The problem is with this tool, there's no build instructions. Alright, let's to call S. Or what do? We just used P, didn't we? Oh, but that won't fucking, I'll have to do all the variables separately. Ugh. P opcode. This is one big program. I'm not sure how I feel about that, personally. I don't like one big program. I like little modules. They're much nicer to maintain. Much easier to develop with. In any other world, this would be pretty bad practice. And I think I've seen this code before somewhere. And if I remember, there's no like use of procedures. It's all like subroutines, which is fine. Of course, this is all very opinionated, but it's for like one global scope. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Oh, we're down on errors. This is nice. So now we got to fix these. What did we replace these printer files stuff with? Underscore pugum. Yep, there's that one. Oh. Z1. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. Oops. Oh, that was an @ wasn't it? So what? Oh, fuck, what was this before? I'm gonna have to do a diff or something. Diff online, my favourite. Old, where's the new? What line are we on? 454. This is a big file. Please don't die on me. Oh, it's doing the diff on a remote server. That's fun. I think we broke it. Online diff. Diff checker. Okay, let's try this one. Boom. Boom. Ah, that's looking good. So we're on line 455. Ah, there it is. PAG. We got a PAG, right? In the print file? Yeah, there it is. So we would actually, we just need to change Z1 underscore PAG like that. Cool. Right, we're getting there. Outrec is not defined. Where does outrec come from? 5,000 lines. Ugh. What line are we on? 5,465. This is not good source. I cannot believe I'm looking at code that's 5,000 lines long. That is killing me. 5,465. Outrec. Okay, so we haven't done anything there. So the issues... Anyway, I don't even know why I'm doing this. The issue was that this lady couldn't compile something. Oh. I'm just going to say hi. I am wondering if you can recreate this issue in a source file that is not as big as I am not able to recreate. I mean, I'm sat here compiling stuff and getting an error listing, so I'm not able to recreate it. Thanks. Alright, let's put that one down. I am not giving up. I am slightly frustrated at that weird issue. With that being said, I'm going to delete those files and never touch them again. Okay, what's next on the list? Let's have a look what we got. Possible failure when library names are 10 characters long. This was a bug report. In IBM utils there is a convention to name temporary work files such as... Yes, that is correct. If the library name is 10 characters long, so we just need to trim it down. Let's get VS Code open. This is a bug. I have known about it for a while, but nobody has brought it up. Alrighty. So, let's close this. IBM utils. This is the convention right here, but I'm actually doing the substring, so see if I'm doing it anywhere else. Alright, I'm doing it there. Don't need temporary files for that. So I'm doing it there and there. Doing it there. Okay, it's not looking like a problem right now. I think we're okay. Had a look through the code, and it does seem like I am doing the correct substrings to make sure the library object, to make sure the, let's just say object names are not more than 10 characters long. See the links below. Thanks. And that is a closed issue right there. IL editor, classes, IBM utils. So let's just link him to all the different places. There's one. There's two. And there's one more, I believe. Or is that it? Nope. Okay, that must be it. Of course, let's put it in a list. Preview. Yep, we're looking good. Close comment. Boom. Closed issue. Cool. Enable disable tabs in options. So this is a bug that I've been needing because I've been writing makefiles more recently. A feature that I've been needing. So if we go look at source editor and here somewhere, convert tabs to spaces. So basically we just need to make that a user config. Not too hard, I believe. So let's just start with this. Allow tabs. False. Boom. Maybe that's a really misleading name. Conv tabs. True. That's better. Let's open up the user. Oh god, what is it? It's in the forms. Yeah, that's right. It's a connection thing. Editor. Lucky I've got space for this. That's a true false box, so we can just copy that. Thank you. And let's call it conv tabs, I guess. What's the other ones like? Highlight line. Yeah, bugger it. This will be, come on, line it up. There we go. I just realized I don't have any music on. That's why I am talking a lot. Highlight editing line. Convert tabs to spaces. Now this has to be on by default because RPG gets a bit funny with tabs. So that means I need to go into config CS, which is the ugliest fucking class I've ever written. And let's stick it under here. What's it called? It's called conv tabs. True. I'm okay with that. Open up my save here. Let's just do this. Conv tabs, selected item. Conv tabs. And then we do the same down here. Conv tabs. Conv tabs. That should be it. There's some bangers on. I like this thing that Spotify has at the moment, where it just like generates playlists out of music that you generally listen to. Discover? Playlists made just for you. That's the one, but it's maybe it's not available on PC. Let's have a look at radio. No. No, that's weird. Discover. I could listen to some circle waves. CI. Cool, that'll do. Alright, so dksurf 206. Let's have a look here. So, just make a new folder. Let's close this. Let's open up the toolbar here. Hi-Fest browser. home/Liam. And I have a directory called random. So right now, if I use tab, it does it by the space, which is cool. That's what I want. and that's cool. Let's go ahead and save that and close that too. If I go to Tools, Connection Settings, Editor, False, Save, reopen the editor here, and I use tabs. That's a single tab. Excellent. Save. Cool. Let's do a test and turn it off. And now let's have a look. Excellent. That's a really quick feature that I'm really glad to get it in. GitHub desktop. Cool. That's cool. What issue number is this? Just do that. And then when it's refreshed and it's on here, close issue. Boom. Cool. Alright, well, I thought I'd have more to do than that, but that's pretty much what's going on right now. My editor is looking pretty good at the moment. Probably the best it's looked in a while. This white theme is beautiful. It gets better every time I look at it. Compiling seems to be, you know, being its normal self. Still very fast. Yeah, I'm happy. Look at that. Boom. I'm happy. I'm pretty happy, I would say. So yeah, okay. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.